Hi, welcome again to my channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing video, and let's start by unboxing this. Kasi nga, I ordered the Owl diffuser. I got the desert one, and right now I'm really excited to see and hold it in my own hands. So let's start. I have a scissor right here, and let's start to open this box. Okay. Oh, amazing. Very sealed. Like over duper sealed. Oh god. Really excited. This is what most. Bakit ang hirap mo ang box? Well packed. I like it. Okay. I'm really fond of essential oils lately because it helps me sleep and be calm. Especially when I am so stressed, I usually turn the humidifier on, and that's it. We're done with the plastic. This is the package. It looks like. So let's start to unveil this box. The owl. Ta-da! So the box comes right like this. In the box with an owl. I love it. Like that, just like the desert one. But ito yung parang blue. And it has this. Also, what's this? I have ooh, malaki na yung sa akin. Lavender oil. Received lemon. This is actually my favorite lavender. And what's this? What's this? An extra oil. Yeah, thieves. And peppermint. So I got this set for 7,650, and it has a lot of oil. I like it. So let's start. So ito na siya. And I'm really excited to open. It comes with a manual, and it has, I believe this is the charger. Yes. And the owl is in here. So cute. I think it's very cute. Oh my god, so nice. I'm gonna use this tonight. Really excited. Oh, it has something. It has a turn off button that you get to put water in here. And I'm really excited. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching me unboxing my Young Living set. And also, if you are really interested about getting one of these, I will leave my information or my email account, and see you soon in my next video.